This latest release of Fiery ColorGuard is focused on automation and ease of use, allowing you to concentrate on more creative and profitable tasks while producing exceptional color with greater ease. These new features dramatically help automate, streamline, and improve the important steps involved in keeping your great color on track. Let's start with Fiery Automatic Color Control. Automatic Color Control is a group of ColorGuard features that automate as well as streamline the steps involved in delivering the most accurate and consistent color over time. Several of these features require a supported inline measurement instrument. Note that depending on the press used, there may be additional automatic features available. You should refer to manufacturer-specific documentation for an exact description of Fiery Automatic Color Control features and workflow for your particular press type. Let's start with scheduled verification and automatic recalibration. ColorGuard brings a new streamlined approach to color control. The process can now start with a scheduled verification. This can happen automatically with no operator intervention. Scheduled verification can be used with any supported inline or handheld measurement instrument. If an inline instrument is used, the whole process happens completely hands-free. If verification passes, you know you are color ready in the shortest time possible. If verification fails, then recalibration automatically kicks in when using an inline instrument. Automatic recalibration happens only when verification fails, ensuring that valuable production time is not being wasted when a printer is already performing to its optimal state. Automatic recalibration requires an inline instrument and is also performed completely hands-free. Warm-up pages are a new advancement that ensures only a press's most representative state is being analyzed for any output measurements and correction. Warm-up pages are an optional but important step in the new automatic and streamlined workflow. You can define an exact number of pages to be printed before scheduled verification begins. This new feature is the scientific answer to using a less color-critical job to warm up a printer to achieve its most stable state before production begins. Let's take a different look at these valuable new innovations. It's really quite simple. The streamlined workflow starts with the schedule you've set that fits to your production shift or shifts. Second is the number of warm-up pages you wish to print to get the printer in its most stable state. Next, scheduled verification takes place. A pass means no other action is needed. You are ready for production right away. A fail would mean automatic recalibration kicks in, followed by a second verification to prove a pass. You are then ready for production. All of this happens without any operator intervention. Another feature that helps keep production running smoothly and everyone fully informed of each printer's color health is the new traffic light indicators. From directly within Fiery Command Workstation, you can see which media and therefore which jobs are safely ready for accurate print production. Green means passed and you're ready to print, yellow signals conditions that require operator intervention, and red means failed and that printer maintenance is needed to ensure the desired print quality. Having a traffic light system for color quality directly in your production workspace means you can instantly tell if you need to take any corrective action to attain the accuracy needed for reliable results. And last but not least, in terms of more efficient color control, is a new concept called universal verification. This time-saving functionality means you only need to verify one media, and those verification results can be applied to all media. Then recalibration results can be applied to all media that share the same calibration set. This approach is now possible as digital press accuracy means it's often safe and completely intolerant to apply recalibration results across media that use the same calibration. Also new is the built-in verification setup assistant. It's not always easy to know what's the best preset and what are the best tolerances to use. The Verification Setup Assistant is a wizard-based tool that walks you through making the appropriate selections for your verification goal, geographical location, print application, G7 usage, and white point preference. The wizard is accessible from within the verification schedule window in ColorGuard and is available in 16 languages. And finally, the ColorGuard Shop Summary pane and History and Trends have been enhanced, making it even easier for you to understand the overall or specific state of print production. The redesigned dashboard means all vital production information for all printers is available at a glance. You can filter to see a group of presses by license type or search for a particular press by name or IP address. And in History and Trends, you can now narrow what you want to see by device, or even by past, failed, or errored state, meaning you can see exactly what you want to see quickly, even if you are part of a large print room with hundreds of presses. These enhancements come at no charge as part of your Fiery ColorGuard subscription.